Hello, today I will show you how to toggle stretch mode in Dome Keeper. First, go into options. In the options, in the video section, go and look for the stretch mode section. Right here you can toggle between resized mode and scaled mode. This is a choice between either having a native screen resolution and a sharp looking game, but having the potential of having some visual errors in the form of 1 pixel white lines. In the other way, you can go and choose scaled stretch mode, and the render will be made in the fixed resolution, and these changes can appear as a more pixelated game, as you can see, especially in fonts, but there will be no visual errors. When you are happy and chosen your favorite mode, simply tap apply, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.